Hello dear students, welcome to Vocal Hindustani Music for Grade 7. Today we will learn about Taal and Padhant. Let us first of all have a look at the learning objectives of today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to count with right clappings and wavings of hands and recite with correct pronunciation all the compositions learned at a given regular rhythm in Taal or basic lay. Then recognize the action of hands while counting the Taal. And you will also be able to demonstrate an appreciation of the various rhythmic patterns. You will also be able to identify the different actions of the hands, also known as kriyas. Then lastly, you will be able to memorize the compositions. Now, let us have a look at the first Taal, which is Taal Dadra, a cycle of 6 beats divided into 2 vibhags. As shown on the table, you can see that Taal Dadra has 6 matras, that is 6 beats, and the syllables are as follows: Dha, Dhin, Na, Dha, Tin, Na. Sum is the most accented beat represented by the symbol X, which is on the first beat, whereas Kali, the unaccented beat denoted by a 0, is found on the 4th beat. Now we will go with the Padhant of Taal Dadra. But let us first of all understand the term Padhant. Padhant is the action of counting, clapping, waving and reciting the syllables of a Taal with regularity and with correct pronunciation. Take a few seconds to study the pictures on your screen and then we will try the Padhant. Okay, have you been able to understand the various movements of both hands and fingers? So now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Let us do it once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. We have done 1 revolution or 1 avartan. Now we are going to practice it with the syllables. Dha, Dhin, Na, Dha, Tin, Na, Dha. Let us do it once more. Dha, Dhin, na, dha, tin, na, dha. So, this was the Padhant of Taal, Dadra. Now have a look at the second Taal on the table, which is Taal Keherwa, a cycle of 8 beats divided into 2 divisions or vibhags, whichever you prefer. Take a few seconds to study the pictures on your screen, and then we will try the Padhant. Okay, have you been able to understand the various movements of both hands and fingers? So now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Let us do it once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. We have done 1 revolution or 1 avartan. Now we are going to practice it with the respective syllables. Dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, dhi, na, dha. Let us do it once more. Dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, dhi, na, dha. So, this was the Padhant of Taal Keherwa. We have reached the end of this lesson, and today you have learned about Padhant of Taal Dadra and Taal Keherwa.
It is now time for a self-assessment. Have a look at your screen and answer the following questions.
Hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and that you will practice both talas. Thank you and goodbye.